Hello guys, how are you? So in my today's video, I will show you how to use your latex writing techniques in your uh, any research work. Actually, latex writing technique is basically, let me find, sorry for disturbance. Okay, is it okay? Okay. Okay. So here, as you've seen, latex writing actually some useful notes that I have created while I was using this course as my teaching course, as my learning course when I was in my master's degree. Uh, I have studied this latex writing techniques and course. So basically, I'm showing you very basic and very useful techniques that we can use and in order to get all the useful techniques then we can develop like for example if you want to work in your research area and then you are ready to submit your journal paper, then the journal paper uh, policy of submission demands you to accept the data you have already created um, in latex format. Like formerly it was acceptable that if you want to develop in doc file is also acceptable, pdf file also acceptable, but now they demand us to have your research any manuscript in latex. So latex is actually tag based language. It's actually tag based language that you can use. Okay, that's good. So let's find some useful latex techniques. First, we want actually tools and platforms for latex. We have many tools like MicText, CText, and the Text Studio. mm, that you have seen. Text Studio, MicText, and then if you really want to have nothing in your not to worry about anything, you can use overleaf.com. Overleaf.com is actually the online latex writing tool. So this is first you need to install XC latex or PDF latex, and then while compiling you make sure you are using XC latex or PDF latex. After installing tools and platform, you can easily write at your desktop, and if you want to write latex at in online, then you can refer to overleaf.com. Okay, so now this is a simple hello world rule, hello world code for just displaying hello world in your latex report in your latex text file. So here you have seen that slash document class article means this page is article, author means this name will appear in here. This name actually belongs to a person who is developing the latex file, and this is a comment. Third line is comment, and title is for my first latex file. You have seen in the output file we have picture, we have like you have used a heading, and then use package UTF CTEX. UTF-8 means if you are using any Chinese character using this, you can also if you use this package UTF-8, then your Chinese character will be shown, and it will be no problem for you to write any character in any language in any format. Okay, so uh, like and the second thing is, see, you can easily create some technical report. To find some technical report, you need to label your table of content. So table of content is automatically generated by Latex tag. So now I will ask you about multi-level order list with special character static and adding tables, adding figures, or using any technique. So you have seen that if you want to include any listing, you can use this as a slash item. You have used most significant or useful efforts to this week. I have written as one, and when you use slash text italic, it will format your text. And and if you want to include multi-level, then you need to include within the same item list. So on the left side, you can easily see the code. Okay, so let's continue here. Multi-row and column tables is developed by slash vline slash tabular. We can use begin tabular to make some table. LSR is first column, second is the middle, and third is the in the right. So you can easily mention that how many rows you want, how many column you want. So this piece of code give you multi-level row and multi-column tables. Okay, so if like I'm just going through all the basic things that you can use in overlay. If you want it's in detail, you can easily contact me. I will help you in doing the relevant thing you want. And then you are using horizontal line and vertical line, some labeling in your tables. If, like for example, in your manuscript, you want actually to save some record, to save some data, to show it in table. So in here you have seen that we have created a multi-row and multi-column table using tabular. And here if you can easily put some picture and with some caption. And also you can mention the width and height of the size. So another important thing is to add mathematical figure, relation, equations, and mathematical rules relation when you want to include in your manuscript. And also you can actually use in your like IEEE format template. It's easily available in IEEE website, journal website. And then you can, like, you will see that they will have some rules and regulation to make everything. So first, very simple is to make matrix. Using matrix is just the same as making the tables. And then if you are using some equation, you can easily use equations using some rules. Some like for example, if you want to put theta, then you can use slash theta. If you want to use sum, you can use hash like sum command. So they have for the mathematical equation writing, they have specific tags to develop this type of equations in your manuscripts. So using mathematical rules and relations is just the same. And then when you want to include your reference in your bibliography, actually it works to inline what type of URLs you want to include. So here you can see using slash site one means when you click on hello, it will directly go to the reference number one. Okay, so Beamer and for the professional CV journal paper or some Beamer and CV development, we are using Beamer of the of the Latex, right? Latex tags, Latex language. So reference management, citation, mathematical equations, all these things. And also how to learn how to develop your professional CV is also a very useful uh, way to use the latex writing techniques. So here you have seen that the journal paper looks like this, and I have developed this using these latex writing techniques to make it as same as our journal want. So next step is to make a PPT in latex. So you see that including a slide, including package, including each slide, and then making the content and everything you can easily develop in latex. First I have make a beamer. When you make beamer document, you have used slash document class beamer. And then after that you can easily use all the features of beamer. Beamer is actually PDF format to use for the latex writing. And then you can see that I have developed one CV, and you see it is a very professional CV. Sometime our university, sometime our professor, any manager wants none other than formats than the latex format. Text format is getting high popularity because you see in our coming era, when you want to learn your PDF file, it takes a long time. And then if we have a coding like if we have tags or some coding practices, then machine learning will easily guess what type of information is in within this file. So if you have some GPA collection and everything, then you can easily use this beamer. uh, you use latex writing technique, sorry. So you see you can easily develop one professional CV. Okay, and thank you so much. That's all for the basic things that you can do using latex writing techniques. I have all this code in text format. If you want it, you can easily contact me, and then I always feel honored to help anyone. And no, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more useful videos. And hope you guys feel good and helpful after uh, seeing this video. Okay, bye.